What's that there in Palmali?
Ayaw konti ah.
Athena! What? Why? Please.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Baliw!
Please tell me what
Baliw! Layuan mo kami! What are you?
Is it Latiyong?
Anong latiyong? What latiyong?
My holy land.
Ba? Are you crazy?
Please tell me where's Latiyong.
You are in the Marinas.
Are you
Ano ba
kidding me?
yun?
I can't believe it.
Masyadong...
Where's Latiyong? Oh, ito, sumobra na ako. Mother! I'm glad I see you. Help me, please.
My dear child, I can help you.
What? Why?
Tina is a great God. She is a powerful. She loves to stand and love. So that's why you are here.
I don't understand.
Lahat.
Yeah, men! Ano to? Ano yan, men? Ano trip mo? Ano yan? Hoy!
Yeah. I like it too. Haha, you're so funny. Come on, be serious. Oh, look, there's a guy. Ew. So look. Don't be like that. Look at him. He needs help. Come on. Let's help me. No, ew. I'm out of this. Don't be so sorry. Let's help me. Okay, fine. Whatever.
Okay lang, sige lang.
Uy, ganun. Wala akong mali.
So, Dido, what is your plan now? Don't tell me you gotta keep him. I don't know, but maybe we should win him. What? Are you out of your mind, sister? You did know that guy? Maybe he's a killer or something.
I know, but I have a feeling that's a good guy.
You will be trusting a stranger. Yeah, oh. Look at the time. I gonna go. Me too, bye.
Alright, bye.
Just be careful, especially on that guy.
I know, I have a feeling that you're a good person. Look at you.
Who are you? What is this place?
You're in my house. I'm Guido. You are...
Oh, forgot. Sorry. I'm Anis, son of Dennis, a great warrior of Troy.
What? Are you crazy or what?
I don't know. I'm in the middle of the war, and I woke up in here.
Oh, I need some here. Just stay here and watch TV.
What TV? Hazy. People inside. Hello?
What the? What are you doing?
I know this thing. It's a time machine. It can help me back to the Troy.
What I have done. First of all, that's a TV. Where can you watch a movie? But it can help you to go back to the place where you belong.
Please, do something.
Alright, tomorrow, we will go to the mental hospital. They can help you.
Really? A mental hospital? Thank you. Please, can we go now?
No, tomorrow. Just change your clothes first. Here, go there and change your clothes.
What kind of clothes is this?
Just wear it. Just put it on.
Alright. I think it's fitting me.
You idiot.
Fine.
Let me help you. Here, eat this. It's delicious.
How do you?
I forgot. Sorry.
Benny ako.
Long time?
Okay, I just go to my room and take a nap. What are you doing?
What do you want to stay?
You're going to the hospital.
Really? That's great.
This guy's in love with you, buddy.
Okay, guys. Come on, let's go. What?
Because I changed my mind.
What? Why?
Just trust me, I won't harm you.
Alright. I put on my trust on you.
Thank you. Let's go. You need to cut your hair. Oh, I know someone. Hello, sister. Please do me a favor.
What is it, Daddy?
I want you to meet my friend in...
Indiana. 7 years.
Oh, Charity. I'll take care of you. You stay here and I promise you, he will change you.
That's my girl.
Lamingin.
Oh my God, girl.
What? Did you do something?
She changed a lot. Absolutely. Do you want to see him?
Okay.
Okay. Darling, come here. Do you like it?
Yeah, you're really a genius.
Well, I am.
What kind of hair?
It's okay, darling.
Yeah, it's because you.
Okay, fine.
Come on, Ines, look at the mirror. It's okay, I'm your family now.
But,
Stop. Are you hungry? Because I'm hungry.
okay, fine.
Okay, while are you waiting, ladies, they call it coffee break.
Fluffy, what?
Coffee break, just press it and that's it.
Is this real? Oh man! What happened?
Ines, Ines.
Oh, sorry.
Ines, we really need to go home.
What? Why?
If you want, come stay here with me.
Are you sure? Me? With you?
Me, of course. Everything you need, I will give it to you. Everything you want for your I teach you.
I don't know. I know one day, someday, I'll be gone.
It's okay with me as long as you are with me. Please stay.
Lido? Lido, wake up.
Okay. What time is it?
It's already 6 a.m. Come on, that's it. Oh, sorry. I got something.
Okay, I'll wait.
Oh, we don't have any hot water.
Oh, I forgot to buy.
Okay, I buy it for you. Just stay there. Mabili. Mabili.
Yes.
Do you have a butter?
Duh. Are you crazy? Can't you see? It's a repair shop.
Oh! I'm so sorry. I don't mind. What? Mother?
Oh, my beloved son.
Magugulat ka.
Of course. They treat me so well.
Oh, my son. It's time.
Time for what? Okay. Just give me a little time to prepare. Before you go to Vigo. Just a little time.
What took you so long? The coffee's getting cold.
Never mind that. That's it.
You alright?
Actually, I need to tell you something.
What is it? Tell me.
No, never mind that. No, that's it.
What happened to you? Is there any problem?
Do you remember when I decided to stay here with you?
Yeah, why?
Please, I have to go.
We need to go to the grocery. We don't have enough stocks.
Please, don't change the topic.
Stop. Let's eat. Your coffee's getting cold.
Dido, you know, there is missing inside of me. Please.
Stop this conversation.
You can stop me. My kingdom needs me.
Don't you understand me? Please, give me more time to spend with you.
I want to. I really want to. Please believe me.
How about me? I fall in love with you.
How?
I don't know, I just felt it. Please, don't leave me.
Dido. Yes. I admit that I fall in love with you, but my family, my land, my friends are waiting for me.
Okay, fine, let's eat.
But
Please stop, let's eat.
since the day I met you,
I found you in the street. You are in pain, starving and weak. I never thought that you will be a strong man, brave man. Now I finally realize that you are. I gave you all I have, all I am, everything that you want, for I expect that you will not leave me, for you to love me. You know what? Now I know that no matter you give, I wouldn't make a person to love you. Forgive me for loving you so much more than my life. I just can't take it. I just don't want to see you leaving me, so I decided to end my life. Always remember, I love you.
Go, make your dreams come true. Just be happy always.
please, I'm sorry. Please forgive.
No. No. Dido, where are you? Dido. Hey, what happened? Dido. Shit, wait. Emergency. My sister, she's dying. Yeah. Please help me.